Hello and welcome to this course on MATLAB programming for numerical computations. This is Professor Niket Kaisare and we are now starting week 2 of this course. First 2 weeks we are going to discuss introduction to MATLAB and building MATLAB codes and functions so that you can solve problems of interest to engineers and scientists. In this week, these are the things that we are going to cover. In the first lecture, we are going to cover loops and execution control. Thereafter, in the next lecture, we are going to cover MATLAB script and functions. So, these first two videos used to be in lecture 1 in the previous version, in the 8-week version of this course. Now that we have expanded it to 12 weeks, we have moved these two videos into the second week. The second week, as I had mentioned on the title slide, we are going to work on building MATLAB codes and functions to solve problems of interest, and in that context, one of our important lectures is going to be on MATLAB scripts and function. That will be the second lecture in this particular week. Okay. Thereafter, we are going to talk about using structures in MATLAB codes. Structures we had introduced to you in the previous week. In this week, we are going to see how we can gainfully use these structures within MATLAB functions to write these functions in a more efficient manner. Thereafter, in the fourth lecture of this week, we are going to talk about how to efficiently write MATLAB function files. MATLAB function files, as you will see, are going to be extremely useful in writing MATLAB codes of interest to us. And finally, we will finish off giving a brief overview of how to debug the code and how to improve your ability to write and execute these codes. Okay. With that, I come to the end of this video. I will see you in the next lecture. Thanks and bye.